Welcome to the official opening ceremony of the maternal and neonatal high dependency units of the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital. We're here to witness an important achievement.
It really came out of a need that was identified by the European Union in collaboration with our local stakeholders in public health, our planning agency, represented by the Planning Institute, for us as a people to continue the strong tradition that we have as a country in ensuring that maternal care, mother and child care, was a fundamental platform to the development prospects of our people and our country.
Pregnancy and childbirth are such an essential part of the existence of humanity that it is incumbent on governments and societies to ensure that every woman has a fair chance to have a healthy pregnancy and safe delivery, no matter where in the world they live or their social background, because pregnancy and childbirth should be one of the happiest moments in a woman's and family's life. I am very proud to say that PROMAC is the first major EU-funded project in Jamaica that focuses on health sector and specifically on maternal health. And this is one of several such specialized units which are being built in 4 hospitals across the country. I am confident that this facility, as well as all the others, will contribute significantly to improving the quality of care available to pregnant women and their newborn babies. Through a grant of €22 million, since 2013, we have been supporting the government of Jamaica to address some of the major health challenges affecting child and maternal health in several ways.
We expect that thousands, if not hundreds and thousands of Jamaicans, mother and child, will benefit from these facilities in the years to come. And it will certainly support the expertise of those who will use the equipment. So I want to just again place on record our appreciation to the European Union and to all who have made this project possible. PROMAC, of course, and it's worth repeating, represents good news for high-risk pregnant women and premature babies in Jamaica, and in this case, in the parish of St. Anne and its immediate environs.
We are really grateful today, and I am sure I can promise everybody on behalf of the Northeast Regional Health Authority, the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital, all our staff and stakeholders, that we will take care of this building, that we will use it for the purpose that it is designed. We will ensure that we achieve those outcomes that the project is meant to deliver, and we're sure our mothers and babies in years to come will have good things to say about what we have done in this building.